Sometimes the dangerous weather conditions of modern life, feeling overtapped, overworked, overstimulated, and overwrought, they're too much for us. And when that weather is too rough, we have to take a break. We need to seek out people and places where we can be cared for and where repair can happen. This care and repair work can happen in places where we can experience rest of our bodies and minds and hearts and spirits, recovery when we are injured and sick and need to really take good care of things that aren't working right in our lives and in ourselves, and refuge, spaces and places where we know that we are safe physically and psychologically, and even at a soul level. We can also seek safe harbors through people, our relationships. We need more than ever in this rough weather people who are human. This is bodies before bots. We need human relationships now more than ever before. We also need people who are holistic, who see the whole of who we are, that we are people living in circumstances and context, and that we need to be considered for everything that we are going through and everyone who we are connected to. And we need people who are humane, who see us with the dignity and worth that we deserve. We need safe harbors when the weather is rough. But our kids and the other people in our life, they need us to be those safe harbors too.